Wait, let me. I
Well,
don't.
I pushed the. Oh, we're live.
We're live.
Yes, we are.
Hello, everybody. How's everybody doing? I hope you guys are doing well on this fantastic day, on this fantastic afternoon. I'm here joined by Adam, and today, Adam, what are we gonna do today?
We're gonna keep working on the point game.
Yes, we're gonna keep doing it on the word game. What are we gonna do today?
Today we're going to be adding in some power ups to make the game a little more fun.
Power
Um,
ups.
yes. Should we go ahead and show them what we have before?
So
I know it's
far,
been a while.
it
Like
has
it's
been a
been a while since
while.
we touched it. So like 3 weeks ago we did this. The week after that we did the Google App Script thing with Jonathan, and then last week we had a small little back to school weekend um,
Break, I
scare
guess.
break.
Yeah, just
so
getting situated and everything.
yeah, so we took a break last week, but we are back now with some more fun game development. So I'm glad all you guys can make it here.
All right, so let's get started. Let's see where we left off. Now, if I remember correctly, I was able to move. Okay, cool. I was able to move. Oh my goodness, I disappeared. Okay. I was able to move. I think, what was the button to shoot? Oh, there it is. Okay. So we can shoot bullets. Can we destroy the asteroids? Okay, if any, oh, did I just get reset to the respawn point? I'm in a
Yes, you
respawn point?
died. You got hit by the asteroid.
This is so cool. Okay, so this is where we left off. Now, so we wanted to make the game more exciting, so we should add the actual power-ups, right? Okay,
Huh.
so I believe we have already sprites that were made, right? These are what they look like. Here, look, I'll put them right here, side to side of each other. Adam, do you want to explain what each power up does?
Oh, okay, yeah. Also, we're gonna put all the assets to this down in the
In the GitHub.
description, the GitHub. Yes, it'll be in the GitHub. Well, also, if you're still not familiar with GitHub, we'll make a video soon, hopefully, detailing how to use GitHub. But we decided on three basic power ups for now. There is the health one, which just gives you an extra life. It's self-explanatory. There is the speed boost one, which makes your player go faster. And then there's the cone shot one, which allows your spaceship to shoot in multiple different
In like a
directions.
cone, a literal cone. It's gonna look real
Yes,
cool, like a shotgun. All right,
if we can manage to get it to work.
hopefully,
Hopefully.
hopefully. Okay, so first things first. Let's make these things into prefabs now because we don't want them to be sprites because we want to put stuff in them, right? So also let me put it to
We're gonna
size
bump up
here.
the pixels per unit, which will make it smaller. TT says Pog.
TT, welcome back. Well, actually, I should be welcome back because I haven't been here in a while with Adam. So it's probably me who should say that. Okay, let's move this here so everybody can see. Let's move that over here, and then lastly this over here. Now remember, in order to make prefabs, all you gotta do is just put this health power up back into any folder, and then it'll be considered a prefab. It's the simplest way that at least I know how to do. I'm sure there's more ways to do it. Okay. So we have the prefab. Now what do we want to do? You want to add maybe a collider because obviously the plane's going to be able to hit with the health boost,
Yeah,
right? Or any boost. So let's add a box collider. All right, let's open the prefab, make sure that it's there. Okay, that's pretty decent, right?
cause the
Okay.
box right there. It's really nice.
Let's go to the speed boost, open that prefab. Another box collider. There we go. Spread shot, box collider. All right, I think we're good to go.
Okay, so now we have our boost that
Yes.
we can just put into the game. Hopefully, should we try spawning them in?
Yeah, let's try spawning them in. So let me just quickly I just want to make sure that it works. I'll put it right here. Um, I see that it's not getting hit. I wonder why.
Hit by the asteroid though.
Did it?
Yeah.
I don't think it did.
There was one that came square at it. I think. Uh, You shot the asteroid that was
I'm
coming for us.
sorry. Okay. I'm sorry. My bad. Hold on.
Oh,
Where's? Oh, it collided with the asteroid, but it's not
yeah.
colliding with us. What's up with
Strange.
that? I wonder. That's weird. Well, we'll come back to that later. For now,
It's a potential problem right there.
potentially, let's do an empty object. Let's make this the spawn. Now, should we make it fall down or?
Well, this is spotted in, and then we can make it fall down later.
Okay, cool.
oh,
What
oh,
happened?
TT says color the feature.
Call it a feature.
Does the player have a rigid body?
Yes, the player has a rigid body. No, the player does.
That's why. That's what
The
it.
player does not have a rigid.
Because
Let me
it needs to
just.
have a rigid body.
I'm
Oh
just
my
gonna.
goodness.
I'm just gonna. I'm just gonna do that. For now.
Uh,
Oh boy. Okay.
have we broken any features yet?
Oh my goodness.
that's why it wasn't working. We
Does
were
it still
testing.
collide with the asteroids though? Yes, it does.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, okay. We were testing this earlier. We
Oh
couldn't get it to work for
boy.
some reason
Oh
because.
my goodness. Oh man. That that's okay. Cool.
All right.
All right. So, back to the original plan. We're going to be able to spawn these boosts, right? Let's call this boost spawner. I don't know, space. Let's just call it spawn. Can I spell, please? Thank you. All right. So we're gonna add a script, obviously. Let's call it boost spawner script. All right. Let's open this up. Let's go into visual. Why aren't you opening up? What happened? Where'd it go? Is this it?
Right there.
There we go.
Yeah.
Okay, that was weird. All right. Let's do some code. Code some C sharp. All right. So first things first, we need to know what we're referencing, right? So we need to be able to know that what we're referencing is a game object and it's specifically what it's used for, right? So just like any object in any language, right? Oh, first we're gonna serialize the field in order for us to reference it. We're gonna make this. Should we make it private? Yeah, private.
Yeah.
And then let's call it a game object because that's what it is. And then whatever the name we want it to be, let's make this one what health boost.
Yeah.
That's a boost. Okay, let's copy and paste because we're gonna do the same thing for the speed boost and the cone shot. Okay, speed boost here. Cone shot here. Okay, so we have that down. So if we save, go to Unity Hub, get to boost spawner, and then add component, and then the script itself, boost spawner script. Now we can see that we can actually drag things into it. And what we're going to do, very simple, we get the prefab, whichever the health one is, and we're going to put it right there. Speed boost for the speed boost, and then spread shot for the cone shot. Just like that. So now, every time we reference into the script, is going to reference to these three prefabs. And that's what we want. So, now that we have that down, all we need to do is just spawn them, right? So,
Yeah.
what we're going to do, we're going to copy what we did here. Basically, this whole spawn RNG, we're just going to copy and
The
paste.
asteroid spotter. This is like everyone's favorite things about programming. Is you can kind of just you know copy um things that you've made if they have similar features.
See, and that's the thing of programming. You want to be able to create generic methods, as generic as possible, in order for me to do what I'm doing right now, right? That's
Yes,
like that's the point of programming.
that's a big goal. Yeah, to make it.
Yes, always want to create like a in general, gener. Help me
You
out
want to
here.
make like methods that are like
The
you can take
universal.
any place.
There it is. There it is.
Yeah.
Yes, universal.
Of course, there's sometimes where you can't, right? You should always focus on it, but like generally, it's something that's a good thing to follow.
Yes, for sure.
Right there. So you might notice we moved in a lot of the variables, the cooldown timer, the respawn time. We'll have to adjust the respawn time, however, because we want the boost to spawn way less often than
Than the asteroid itself.
yeah, sure. Yeah.
So, for now, we'll keep it. at 1 for testing purposes. But once we've actually made it, then we'll make it into something else. So, for now, we're gonna get rid of this asteroid prefab. Let's just, just comment this out. That's not what I wanted.
I did not want
That's
to
not
check.
what I wanted.
Uh,
That's what I wanted. Okay. Uh, so now that we have that down, what we can do is that we can say, basically, we want each of these boosts to spawn in, right, to instantiate. So what we could do, we can make a method that allows us to, choose, and it's going to be random as well. So what we can do here, we're going to make a method. We're going to call it, what should we call it? Boost selector.
boost selection? Yeah, boost selection.
Boost select selector selector. There we go. Okay. It's
And
obviously going to
it's going to
return
return a
something.
game object, right?
Yeah, return game object. And then we need to make sure that we reference that it's a game object method.
So basically, yeah. So this thing, it's just going to select one of our boosts and then uh, return it whenever it's called.
Okay. Okay. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna make something called a list, and a list is just similar from Unity. Is similar to one in C sharp. It's really not that hard. All you gotta do is just put list and then the type of list that is going to be, right? It could be a game object, it could be floats, it could be numbers, it could be probably strings, anything that you already selected, right? So here we're going to make a game objects list. Then this is where we call the name of it, so we can name it boosts, and then equals, I believe we go
New
new
list, right?
list, right? Game
Yeah.
object, like that. No, oh wait, yeah, I forgot about this.
Yes. Yeah.
There we
Oh
go.
yeah.
Yeah, I forgot about the parentheses. Okay, so now that we're able to do this, what we can do is then say we can add every specific health boost in here, right? So we could do boost dot, I believe it's add. Yes, add health boost. And then we do just copy and paste. Speed boost and cone shot, I believe the last one. Yes. Okay. So now they're all here, we're gonna make another like random selector from these things. This is gonna
Yeah.
be similar to this. Let's just copy this real quick. Okay. Full number, random range. And we're going to do from the minimum, which is 0, to the maximum, which is
The,
boost
s-
dot
the
count.
size of the oh,
Yeah,
count. Yes, count.
it's count, right? Yeah.
Yeah, count. I don't know why they use different words. Okay, like for normal race, it's like length, and then like
Yeah, I
size
have
is
no
count.
idea why they use count here. I completely agree. It's length or either size or something like that. And then here we're just gonna return the game object, right, itself. So all we're gonna do is just boost and then number. This is the one that worked, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Oh, now it
So
doesn't work.
that's
Oh,
what. Oh, I didn't see that. Sure. Okay,
okay, that makes sense. Okay,
there we go.
so
So
now
now,
that we have that, we can then uncomment this out and then put the actual method itself.
so instead of making a new asteroid, we're gonna make a new boost, which will be randomly selected from the list.
Correct, just like that. Really simple.
Should we try it out?
Let's try it out.
What could possibly go wrong?
What could possibly go wrong in programming? Any program?
Oh,
Oh,
it's the
yeah. I don't know
oh.
why it does this. I
So for
I
some
don't.
reason,
So the reason it didn't spawn or like it wasn't shown is because there's the Z index out of here. Like for some reason at -28. I we never figure out why, but it always resets to this default position. And it's basically like another layer behind a layer of what we're seeing, which is 0. I'm pretty sure I just made that
yeah.
confusing.
So we gotta bring it back for like it's hidden. It's like imagine if you have like a stage, you have like the backdrop, which is behind like the actors, which
Right,
is
like a
sometimes
theater.
behind the curtain, right in the
Yeah.
theater. And so like -20 is like the very back, and so it's behind the gray background. Why is there's a default to that? We really don't know.
Basically this, what's happening here is that
Oh no.
basically this is the Z0 layer, right? Now this is Z1. or -1, I guess, and Z -2, Z -3, and it's going more and more and more and more. And basically, let's say that this is -28. This is where the spawner is at, but we're over here playing the game here. Look, this is the little plane. That's the plane. And it's shooting here, and this is where we're playing the game. But the thing is that since the spawner is over here in layer like whatever, then we can't really actually see the spawner. And then that's just how, don't save, that's horrible. And that's why we can't really see it in the actual game itself. So let's set it to 0. We should play, and now we can see it. There we go. Now it's spawning.
It's spawning in.
Great. This is perfect. Oh.
Oh, because we have it whenever
Yeah,
it
yeah,
collides
yeah,
with
yeah,
something, it
yeah.
just
I
yeah,
remember.
yeah. That
I
we'll fix that in a moment.
remember. Easy fix. But yeah, this is it. That's good. So it's
Look at
look,
that.
it's gonna make a wall. It's not gonna let the asteroids go through. Wait, I just realized something. The
Huh?
player's rotation is not um
Wait, why did
why is it
oh
tilted?
we're gonna stop stop the game? How did it rotate?
I have no idea. Didn't we freeze rotation here?
I thought we did.
Is it rigid body, right? Constraints. Oh, I didn't freeze
Oh, we didn't.
rotation. Oh wow. Okay. That's why it tilted. I thought I did. That's why it was weird to me. Okay. Anyway, so that's that. Now let's do what else do we need to do? Oh yeah. So we have that spawner down. So
Make them
should we
fall.
I'm sorry?
Should we make them fall?
Yeah, let's make them fall. And once again, we're going to cheat a little bit. Well, not really. We're just going to take this, put it
The
up
whole
here.
move script.
And then
We
we're going to
got we gotta
do
make a new script though, right?
Oh yeah,
Like
because it's a spawner. You're right. Absolutely correct. We'll go to scripts, go here, create C# script, and then we'll do boost script. Okay, there we go. So we'll call a method called move. I really don't like that they have to put the on animator move because then it does this. Like, that's
yeah.
so annoying. But I guess, right? Okay, we'll do that. Get rid of this because we're not doing the x
Which means we don't need
axis.
the line 21 either, right?
Line 21. Yeah, we don't need this either. Wait. Yeah, we don't.
No, yeah, because the x-axis.
And then we're going to put speed into float. Let's make it 3.
3. Let's do 3.
Let's make it
Yeah.
3. Okay,
As you can
let's.
see, because we use the speed variable in the move method from the other thing, we can just redefine speed there. You know, it's a nice general method, good variable names, right?
And I was about to not put it into
Oh, we got.
update method. There we go. Okay. Yeah, generalized methods is the thing
Oh,
that you
we had to
want.
attach the thing,
Oh, the
the
script
script.
to it. That's right. What's great about prefabs is that you don't have to put the sprite in and then mess around with it and then put it back in here. I could just immediately just add the component, put the boost script in, and then you're done. So now for every other prefab that comes out that is this actual game object is gonna have that script. So let's play now, and there you go. It's falling down, just like how we want it to.
Now, interestingly, we can fix the collision with the player, but like it is colliding with the asteroids.
Interestingly, we're gonna have to put more logic into that. But for now, it doesn't look that bad. I won't lie. Now you can see that they're not really despawning, are they? Are they? My goodness, they're all going down here. Neither are the asteroids actually. Now that I look
Well,
at
because
it,
it's in the camera view, right?
no, even the asteroids are not destroying out of invisible. What's
Wait,
going
they're
on
not.
here? They're not. Whoa,
Wait a
whoa,
minute.
whoa,
Oh,
whoa.
let's try this again. Oh,
Hold on. One became invisible, destroy game object. Yeah.
I think it's because we zoomed out. That's
You think so?
yeah. Like here, let's try if we push play, and then we don't like let's say we don't zoom out, right? Yeah, it deletes the asteroids.
Huh.
I think.
Yeah, I don't see any other asteroids.
Yeah, it's mostly the power ups that are taking a long time to.
All right, that's weird.
Huh.
Oh shoot.
That's far away. Should we move the boost spawner up a little bit?
You want to move it up a little bit? All right, let's do that.
Or the boost one.
I
Yeah.
mean, yeah, this
Yes.
here.
Yes. Sure. I mean, shouldn't we have it near the asteroid spawner, like off screen a little bit? So that way it spawns and it drops down.
There we go. Okay, so let's do now. What do we need to do?
We
Oh
don't
right,
want to
on
cloud the
become
asteroids,
invisible,
right?
right?
Oh yeah, let's do that. Yeah, I'll
Let's do
become
that
invisible.
first. Let's make it in the bottom. On become became. I don't know why it says became invisible. It's weird.
Yeah.
Destroy game object.
So for those of y'all who forgot, the I'll become invisible thing is like whenever it leaves the camera, we're just going to destroy it because we don't need it anymore. And that'll help conserve memory.
Yes, conserving memory and programming a game is very, very important.
Very, very important because if you have a memory leak after people play your game for like 100 hours, it's gonna cause lots of problems,
Yes, it will.
and they will not like it because they'll lose all their progress.
And then they'll give you bad reviews.
Yes.
Although it's not
Oh, it's not
despawning.
deleting.
Why? Why aren't you despawning? What's going on here?
Um, maybe we should have just copied the script from the asteroid.
It's the exact same thing though. It's so weird. Wait, this is the boost spawner.
That's why we attached to the wrong script.
So yeah, we need to add the unbecome invisible script to the boost script. Pretend you didn't see that, alright? Alright, let's try it again. Hopefully it works. It should. There you go. Now it's deleting. The moment they go off screen. Perfect. That's what we want. Alright. So, now that we have that down, what should we work on next?
Let's make it so that they don't collide with the asteroids. I think we could just do
Okay.
the on trigger thing, right?
Yes. So the thing with the boosts, we're not gonna make it an actual collider. What we're gonna do with them is that there's gonna be an on trigger event. Adam, do you want to explain what that is?
So basically, instead of like hitting the boost head on, like when you like collide with like an asteroid or something, we simply want to detect whenever they encounter each other.
Through the
Right.
collider.
So yeah. So instead of having like do the collide. So instead of having like actual physics happening, we just want it to trigger something for the boost to say, hey, look. I'm existing and we're touching, and that sounds weird, but we are colliding with whatever anything else, but we don't actually want to do any physics with it. So we're going to use the is trigger thing. I think that's how it works. I'm
Yeah,
pretty
so
sure.
it's just like Adam said. Basically, what's happening? Let's say there's the plane right here, right? Let's say the mouse is my plane, and I touch where the green is, right? Because that's the collider. So when we change the collider into is trigger, what's gonna happen is the moment we touch, just like Adam said, we're gonna want an event, right? But there's not gonna be any physics involved. It's not like how you're gonna be touching on a wall. Instead, you're gonna be able to pass completely through. But depending on what we want, once it's triggered, that's what the result will be. It will be basically that's how the is trigger works. Um, so that's what we're gonna do. Instead of like colliding it with like an object, like it's an object itself, we're gonna have it on trigger in order for it to do whatever we want. For the health boost, we wanted to obviously add another life, right? For the speed
Yeah.
boost, we want to add like some speed, maybe time double it or something, and then the spread shot, obviously the bullets. So that's essentially why we're gonna use the is trigger instead of just normal colliding, because it's gonna look kind of funky when you like hit it, and then like you hit it, and then you see that little movement that you do with the plane, and then you get your power up. We don't really want that. So that's why we're gonna use is trigger. So I'm making sure everyone. Okay, so we got that down.
So now whenever we push play,
Yeah, we
it
should be able to
should.
go right through. There we go,
Yeah.
just like that. I believe you should go through the asteroids as well. See this one?
That's the
There it
asteroid.
is.
Yeah.
Yep, just like that. It's exactly what we want. Okay, so now we have that down. We can do this, and now we have the is triggers. So now we have to do on
Whatever collides with the player.
right. So on trigger, enter 2D. This is for the boost, right? Okay, yes. So if collision, oops.
Wait, shouldn't this be in the player script or?
So here's the thing: it's still gonna collide with the asteroid. So shouldn't we also put it here that it should only collide with the player?
How do we do that?
Or what do you think? No, actually, we wouldn't need it
Right? Because we in the player
because
script we can just determine if.
right because the player is gonna be able to hit that object or enter the trigger, right?
Yeah.
So it doesn't really matter if the asteroid or the asteroid hit it because it's not gonna do anything because we're not putting anything on the asteroid. It's just the player that once we enter the trigger event on the on the boost, then we tell it to do something, right?
Yes.
Okay, that made no sense. I'm pretty sure to people because I think weirdly. So yes, that's what's gonna happen.
I hope. I hope it works. Okay.
Okay. It should. It should. Okay, so on collision enter instead of that, we're gonna do on trigger enter. There we go. So if collision dot game object dot tag
Tag.
right equals
Yeah.
to boost, then we want you to do something, and that something will be something.
Maybe the debug message for now.
Yeah, let's do debug message. Dot log. You got a boost. Okay. Why are you complaining? Oh, wait, no. What? Why are you
No,
complaining?
wait, what?
What's going on here? Oh, maybe because I don't have a tag called boost.
No, but like it shouldn't. Oh, maybe.
String to bool. Cannot. Oh, wait, what?
Oh, these two equal signs.
Oh, okay. That was on me.
Oh,
That was on me. Okay, let's open. Let's put the tag here. We can just straight up put it here, and we do that, and then we do new tag name, boost. That. Okay, boost. Then we do boost here. Then we do boost here. Now let's play. Let's see if it works. We should get a debug message. You got a boost. It says right here. And then you got a
hey, look
boost.
at that.
Look at the console again. You got a boost. Wait, it's not showing it every time we enter it. Why is it not doing that? Is it because it's not in the update method?
Wait, what?
What do you think?
No, it
Oh, it
is.
is. It is.
It's just like replacing it, which I thought it would make a new one, but
Yeah,
that's
so did I. But I guess because it's the same event.
uh yeah.
It is changing, right?
Yeah, it is. The timestamp is changing. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, it is. Okay, cool. I just wanted to make sure. All right. So it works. That's good. So for now, we're going to put debug.log. Oh, no, should we change it now? Yes, let's
Yeah,
change it.
let's do that. Let's
So
just figure
now
it
that we have the tag boost, we're going to make it go, decide which boost it is, right? So we're going to make
out.
a method for that. So we're going to call it, what should we call it? Boost, um,
Hit, boost,
boost
encountered. I don't know.
hit.
Hit.
Boost hit. Yes, that's what we're calling it. And let's go. Oh wait, we need to get something, right? We need the actual
Here,
name.
game object. Right.
So game object um
Boost. I guess.
boost. Yes. Yes.
Yes. Whatever.
Thank you for that. Yes. So we're gonna do got no wait, not got hit. What did I just put?
Boost.
Boost hit,
Boost hit.
right?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna do collision just like that, right? Dot
Dot
game object?
game object. Yeah. So
Yes.
we're passing the game object to whatever we collided with, and we're gonna call the boost hit method.
Yes. There we go. Okay. Now, what we're going to do here is that we're going to do a switch statement, right? So from this switch statement, we're going to be able to decipher which boost it is. Before I do that, I need to make sure that the prefabs, these are called simple simple names, because, or should I
Oh,
just
power
copy
up.
and paste? What do you think?
Why not? Why don't we
Just
start?
copy and paste?
Yeah,
Okay. So, how to do a switch statement. Have we encountered switch statements in the channel?
I don't think we've used switch statements in the channel.
Okay, let me explain switch statements real quick. Switch statements are like the better versions of if and else's, because if and else's, we know how it can get messy, right? With if and then else if and then else if and then else if and then else. Switches, what they do is that it makes it easier for you to visualize. Hey, I'm going through each specific option or each option, and then I'm clearly able to see or code what I can do with it. It's visually appealing, but it's essentially the same logic as for if and else, but much easier to read. Am I right on that, Adam?
Yes, and it's generally used more often whenever you have lots of different things. Like
Options,
if
right?
yeah, if the person's name is Adam, Josh, Jonathan, Bailey, Brooklyn.
It's mainly
Uh,
used for like things that are like simplistic, right? Like, so if like for example, just like Adam said, just to see like whose name it was, what the age is, or stuff like that. Very simple stuff. Because in if and else's, we can actually have a specific code block there, right? But on switch statements, you usually want it to be like one statement or two, and then like
yeah,
do
yeah.
something with it. Because here, actually, I can just do Notepad real quick, and then
Oof.
just real quick, right? And then we put it here, and then essentially what we do here is that we make a case, right? A case is basically like the options that you have, right? So this would be option one, case zero. Let's let's imagine that something. Let's call this number instead of something, right? Number, right? So whichever number is, right, we're gonna go through each case to see if it equals this number per se. So actually, let me backtrace again. If this was number three or something, right? If numbered equal to three, then essentially what will happen is case zero, and then we put this colon, right? And then we be able to type. We could like print whatever you want. We could print like blah blah blah, blah right? And then we can put after that. Let's say that the case was zero, right? If that would break. But if it's not zero, then it would skip this completely and then go to the next case, case one, and then so on and so forth until it reaches case three, right? Then it would do the actual thing that it does. Let's say we had a print statement that said, um, cool. Sure, cool.
Cool.
And then basically what will happen, you'll just print it and then you'll break from here, right? Just like that,
Yeah.
very simple. And then it would stop. Just in case you have other cases, like maybe the case up to six, it would just break right here and then you could continue on your way. Now with
Mhm.
if else statements is the same thing, but
But
there's an actual code block there. You could do more stuff
yeah,
in here.
you
You could
can also do a code block in the case thing, but generally you don't want to because it's the whole point of the case thing is that you use it whenever you have short, simple things.
simplistic code design.
Yeah,
Essentially
whenever
what we're
you
trying
like
to
you just
say
want to
is
print,
that
you just
you
want to
want.
call.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
If statements are you're like the bigger older brother, but whenever you don't need the big powerful if statements, you can just use an easy switch
Use
statement.
switch statements. Yeah. They're really easy to use. Um it's just I guess the syntax that a lot of people get confused on, because I know I did. So, all right. Now hopefully we explained that well. If not, maybe we can make a video on it. Add on with
hmm
Java.
hmm uh,
All right, let's copy this. We'll have case. Remember, this is the thing that we want to, compare the actual thing to. So it'd be help. Well, let's make it into a string first. Let's do that. There we go. And then we do. What do we want to do? We want to put debug.log for now.
yeah, yeah. Let's just say
Health,
we health.
and then let's break.
Oh
Just
yeah.
like that. What?
If we don't put the break in there, it's just going to keep going down the list of things, right? That's why the break is
Correct.
important.
Yes, it will. We got the health power up. Now let's
Oh,
get
do
the
we need to clone?
spears. I'm sorry.
Do we need to clone?
I don't think we need to.
I don't know. Yeah.
I don't think
Maybe
we need to.
let's add a default case in there. Like that's just like outputs the name just in case.
Okay. Do you want to explain what the default case does?
Oh yeah, the default case is it's just what happens whenever it doesn't meet any other conditions. And it's like, okay, well, it's not named any of this stuff. What should I do? Oh, let's do the default.
Which looks like this default. And then what do we want to put here?
Maybe we output the boost on name.
The boost down name. Okay.
Yeah, like
Let's
that way,
do.
like if it's not, it is the matches we know.
Wait, the boost down name or the collision boost down name?
Well, because we're
Oh,
passing in the game
I
objects,
got
right?
you. Yeah, I get what you mean. My bad.
But we have to like debug
Oh,
that log
debug. What is going on with me?
it.
Debug.log boost name. Yeah, because we want to find out what it's called.
Yeah,
And
what
then
are we not
break
passing in?
here, and then we're done here. Not yet, because I didn't put a semicolon over there for some reason. Okay, boost hit. So now we can go here. Okay, yes. Do you want me to take this out? Yeah, we don't need this anymore. We already tested it out.
Yeah, no.
Okay, that was a lot of code. Let's go back and let's see if it worked. Did it work?
Oh, it has the clone.
It
The
does have the
clone.
clone.
Oh no.
Do you think there is a way that we can have it that it's not a clone? We can have the actual prefabs there. Wait, why is it saying health power up if I didn't touch anything? Did I touch anything?
You might have touched it. Is it just updating? Wait, I didn't know it did this. It just updates it.
Yeah, it updates the timestamp. I think it's because it's the same event where you just collided with that same object, so I think that's why. But um yeah, so there has to be a way where we take off that clone. We don't need to have that clone.
What we can just add clone to the name, or we can take it off.
We'll do the easier option, which is just to add the clone. But there has to be. Is it capital C?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, and then last but not least, this one here. I just realized I put health. Health. I'm gonna make this shoot. No, boost speed.
Mm-hmm.
Then make it boom.
Boom. Okay.
All right. Let's see now. Boom. Yes. Speed. Perfect. Wait, it didn't update speed. Did I hit it? Oh, no, I did. Okay. And then health.
Health.
Yeah, they all work now. So we have that down. Should we make them disappear once we hit them?
Uh. Yeah. Let's do that. Let's do that.
So that should be very simple. We just go here, and then we do private or on trigger, enter 2D. What? What? Why did why did it take out the P? Okay, that's weird. All we gotta do here is just once you destroy a game object. Let's see what happens here.
Oh, but
It shouldn't work.
oh.
I'm trying to show him something. Let me teach. Okay. So you can
Wait,
see that it
the
immediately
asteroid.
goes. Yes, the asteroid does hit it. Correct.
The
That's
asteroid
the
get rid
thing.
of the power ups. Is that a feature? Who knows?
So essentially, what's happening here because we made it so generic that once you enter the trigger event, it happens. That's why it's getting hit by the asteroids themselves. For example, we can see if there you go. I don't know if you saw it, but the health boost there was able to be destroyed because it was hit by any object with a rigid body. So to change that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do if the collision, which is the game object we're colliding with.
Wait a minute. Can we just do this in the player script?
No,
Like whenever it collides with the thing, we can just destroy game object.
No, because it would be, remember, we're making it on the boost itself. The boost needs to have some, selected colliders in order to collide with. Because if not, then it'll never know,
But
that.
we already collided with it, right? To
Yeah,
detect
we're
to
colliding
stop it.
with it, correct. But that's on the player's point of view, perspective. So if you're making it on the boost script perspective or the boost itself, you want it to be able to disappear only when the player touches you.
Yeah, yeah. So like whenever the play touches it, we just do like a destroy game object, right?
Correct. But the thing is, if we leave it with just, oh, I see what you mean. Okay, you want me to take this out, right? Just do this, and essentially when we collide with it, destroy it there.
Yeah.
Like here, right? You saying here, and then
After boost hit, like just
after
like
boost hit, then collision dot game object destroy
destroy.
collision dot game object, like that, right?
Yeah,
That should work. I see what you mean now.
that worked. Let's hope it works.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, oh wait, it
But
destroys
it
all of them.
destroys.
No, it doesn't. What?
The asteroid is still destroying it. Why? Why is the asteroid
Oh,
still? Oh, I
do we
didn't
save?
save. That's why. My bad.
Oh,
I
phew.
didn't save.
Almost gotta save.
Okay,
Now
let's
it's like
see.
collecting coins.
I think that's how they do it. Like that when you trigger it. It's not a collision. Let's see. I'm just waiting for an asteroid. There you go. There you go. So it didn't hit the actual boost itself. So we're good now. It works. That's the good part. Now, should we implement the actual uh what each boost does?
Yeah,
Okay, let's do that real quick. So, let's say
the
if
health one's the easiest one, I
health
think.
one the easiest, right? So what did I
Hmm.
call health? Because lives, so
Lives.
lives
We
plus
just do life.
plus.
Yeah, so we're just giving the player an extra life whenever they see it.
Wait, plus plus is this valid? Oh, it is.
Yes.
Okay.
Phew. Phew.
I didn't want to do the lives plus equals one because
Speed.
speed. So we're gonna do speed times two. What do we do? How are we gonna do this?
Maybe I was thinking like just like max speed plus plus two plus. So you can collect multiple speed things, right?
Okay. So here's here's the
Plus
thing.
equals.
Yeah, plus equals. My bad. I was thinking we can have it to whereas once you collect the boost, the cooldown timer. Okay, okay. Let me explain it real quick. So essentially, what I wanted to do, the moment you get a boost, right? Let's say the plane gets the boost,
Uh huh.
you have it for like a set amount of time. Let's say like a minute, right? So after that minute, I want it to be a 30-second cooldown for the boost to spawn in. Then another boost spawns in, then you can get it, and then you can do whatever.
Oh, so like once you hit the boost, like you it doesn't spawn in another boost of that type for a while until.
Correct. Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
You see what I
Ooh.
mean?
Yes. That could we could, I think we could make that happen, but it
Right.
would be hard.
Yeah, it would.
Why don't we say that for next week?
Okay, we'll do that. Yeah, you're right. We'll do that for next video. Okay. So max speed plus equals what? 3?
Well, we can do like what do we call it? We can have like an increment by the same amount, or we can have an increment by like diminishing amounts. Or yeah, yeah, plus three. I think plus three should work, right? Hopefully, yeah. Then the clone one is hard. No, not the clone one. The spread shot one.
Spread shot could be permanent. That could be permanent
Yeah, I think that's just
because
permanent.
yeah, that could be permanent.
I think
I'm
when we
skipping
just say
back
like
and
spread shot equals true or something.
yeah, yeah, for sure. Yeah, that's fine. So let's see if it'll work. I'm actually gonna debug.log, not destroy. Debug.log lives because I want to see how many lives we have after we received one. Okay, let's try now. Whoa, that dude came in quick. Whoa, I am quick. We got
4,
lives now. We got 5 lives now.
5.
We got 6 lives now.
Where's the
We
hit
got.
an asteroid?
Whoa, now we're speedy.
I think the speed thing might be a disadvantage.
7 lives now. 8 lives now. Speedy. 9, 10.
Ooh, ooh,
I can't even
ooh.
get it. 11, 12. I lost count. I don't know where I am. 15, 16, probably. Oh my goodness. Oh
Oh,
wait, it keeps all the stats when you die.
oh no, no, we gotta fix. No, we gotta take the speed back down after you die.
Oh my goodness, I can't control this speed. Oh my goodness, this speed is insane. One little tap is like half the map.
I think maybe we should increase it by like a diminishing amount. Or we should just do like the once you get the
Yo,
speed thing, you can't get another.
this is so much fun.
Oh, TT says it seems a little OP.
This is so much fun, bro. Actually. Oh my goodness. Whoa, where am I?
Justin's having lots of fun.
Oh my goodness. I don't even know what the plane is. I'm sorry, I'm distracted. This is so cool. Even though it's literally unplayable. Okay, sorry.
Ah,
Okay, so that works. So first things first, we need to diminish it, right? Let's do it. Actually, no.
we
Yes.
could.
Yes, we should. We should.
Why don't we increase it by um? So we have 7, right? Or we want to increase it by 3. So why don't we increase it by 21 over the current max speed? So that way, the first time it increases by 3, the second time it increases by less than 3, and then less than 3, and then less than 3.
Yes, I see what you mean. Yes, that's what you want to do. That is not what. Yes, just like that.
Yeah,
And then lives is fine. So we need to be able to sure once you die
your speed gets
or
reset.
once your lives got hit. Yeah, if got hit, lives minus equals 1 respawn point. Before we go
It,
there, I want you to make max speed back to 7. That makes sense, right?
yeah,
Yes. Okay, let's run it. Oh man, now this feels sluggish.
you gotta get the speed boost.
I just died.
Oh, you died already.
There we go. There we go. Now we're moving.
We might have
Right.
to even hit the nerf it even more. And now he's slowed down.
Yeah, there we go. No! No!
Josh is about to lose
I want to
already.
go fast.
He has -1 life.
No! Okay, let's get the lives
I think
back.
we forgot to do something where if you're out of lives, you just die and lose.
Yeah, we forgot to do that. I agree. Now I have a ton of lives.
So
OP.
slow though.
I broke the game. Oh no! Okay, there we go. This is okay. Yes. Oh, yes. Come on, give it to me. Give it to me. There we go.
Josh is
Do
so
you notice
excited.
something?
But
It's not really random, is it?
what do you mean?
No! Because I feel like there's a lot common, like
Power up?
boost. Yeah, power ups.
What? Choose from.
That is true. There's only 3. Well, this is fun.
Well,
I think.
well, should we implement the cone shot?
I'm sorry.
Should we do
How?
the
Wait, how though?
uh?
I
We'll do it
forgot you
next
could
video.
shoot. Uh,
Shoot.
there we go. Okay. I can. What? What did I get hit by?
I don't know, man.
Hacks. I call hacks. I completely
Oh,
forgot I could shoot, dude. Low key. I
oh, Josh is distracted. Well, should we implement
Yes.
the cone shot and everything and like the advanced boost system next week?
Yeah, let's do that next week.
Yeah.
I think we did a lot
Uh,
today.
TT says you're not very good at this.
Well, I'm sorry, TT, but this is kind of hard, especially when you
Not
have
even.
like a ton of boost. Oh my goodness.
Yes. Well,
Okay,
we've uploaded
the
to
kid.
GitHub, so you can download
No,
this and try it out yourself in Unity
no.
and play around with it. God, Josh keeps dying. I wonder how many lives he has.
I
Who
actually don't
knows?
know either. It doesn't even say anymore. Oh, it's because you have to scroll down, don't you? I think I've died too many times.
Or maybe it's just updating it. Oh,
Oh, it's probably updating the heart, huh?
is there any way if you click on the player and see in the inspector panel on the right?
How about I just clear it completely? There we go.
TT says just plain black.
Oh yeah, dude, it's definitely like
Yeah, completely lag. But do have some funny announcements. We're back in school, so online. But we will be hopefully putting out new videos next week. Hopefully, but I'll
hopefully.
definitely be back next weekend with part 4 of this series. In addition, we're also teaching an online computer science class, which aligns with the AP Computer Science curriculum. So, if you are interested in signing up for that and potentially earning college credit, as well as learning how to program in Java, go to cs101.creekcoding.com.
You want me to
It
pull it up?
is completely free, although there is an optional, highly suggested $42 donation. And you can get more information about that if you go to cs101.creekcoding.com and sign up on the forum right there. Yeah, right here. Also, I'm still really happy about the website. Like, you see how
It
the
does look
picture
nice.
of the Mac blends with like the black background?
Yeah, it looks really nice. I like it. It looks amazing. So yeah. Anyway, this is the sign up information. We have all the information here. I believe we're having a informational meeting next Monday. I believe
Yes, Monday at 6 p.m. Central Time,
6
I
p.m.
think.
Central Time. Yes. So if you want to come and see, if you want to join this computer science course, let us know. And yeah, that's I think that's all the
If,
answers we got.
if you're watching the stream in the future, maybe not be too late. Who knows?
Who knows?
You could, yeah, send us an email if it might be actually happening. I don't
Just let
know.
us know.
But
All
yeah,
right, so I think we're good, right?
yeah. I think
All
so.
right, so guys, again, it's been a great another stream that we've done. Hopefully, we'll do more in the future if school doesn't get crazy. My name's Josh. This is Adam, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Take care.